Hi everyone and welcome to our creators. The gear station is extremely important since it allows crafting higher level augments and shields, which ultimately means more loot, less overweight and better protection. This guide is aimed at helping you upgrade it to the max as fast and easy as possible. The TLDR version for those who don't want to watch the whole thing. Get the power cables from Power Generation Complex, get industrial batteries from Hydroponic Dome, craft your electric components in the refiner, kill bastions with explosives. Now the same, but in proper detail. Level 1 gearbench only requires 25 plastic parts and 30 fabric. Both of these can be found absolutely everywhere and can be acquired by recycling a wide range of other resources as well as received from your scrappies, so use them to build your level 1 gearbench ASAP. Level 2 upgrade needs 3 power cables, 5 electrical components and 5 Hornet drivers. For power cables, visit the Power Generation Complex on the dam. The whole length of it, from the power rod room on the east side to generators room on the west, has electrical loot, which includes bunch of power cables. Pay attention to loose loot on various consoles along the walls. You can find some power cables there, as well as advanced electrical components that you will need later. Various containers in the area, especially power boxes, electrical cabinets, distribution boxes and the like, have high chances to drop the whole set of electrical things you need: cables, components and advanced components. If you run short on electrical components after running through the Power Gen complex, craft the rest in your refiner. They only require level 1 refiner with 8 plastic and 4 rubber parts per piece. Also, all smaller arc drivers, wasps, hornets, snitches, sentinels, recycle into electrical components if you ever need a bunch. Hornet drivers are obviously farmable from hornets. There's plenty of these buggers all around on any map and in any condition, so you shouldn't have issues getting those. Hornet drivers also sometimes drop in couriers, but in general they are easy to simply hunt for from actual hornets. Level 3 upgrade needs 3 industrial batteries, 5 advanced electrical components and 6 Bastian cells. For industrial batteries, visit the Hydroponic Dome area. Search all of the buildings there, but pay special attention to both larger domes. I usually find at least one battery as loose loot stashed somewhere on shelves or boxes, and another one in some container or one of the red lockers. As usual, these drops are not a 100% guarantee, but they are very consistent. In fact, I believe I found industrial batteries there every single time I checked, but there must be exceptions as well. A backup location, if you can't find any at the Hydroponic Dome, is a scrapyard, as it is always with industrial and mechanical loot. Advanced electrical components are surprisingly common as loose loot on all electronic consoles across every map and building type. Obviously on them, the Power Generation Complex is the prime spot, but so is the water treatment, so check there as well. But generally, concentrate on getting all other stuff you need and then craft any missing advanced components in a level 2 refiner. Acquisition of Bastian Cells naturally includes killing a Bastion. Of the 4 large arcs in the game so far, Bastion has the most health and the toughest armor. The best approach to killing it is stocking up on grenades and keeping hard cover between you and Bastian's gun. While slow and very dumb, Bastian will shred you in seconds if you give him a chance. The best hunting ground for Bastions, in my opinion, is Buried City, since it combines great variety of cover and elevated surfaces to shoot the Bastion from. There are 5 potential spawns for Bastion in Buried City, though most of them are shared with other big arcs, so you may get a match where none spawns, but that's very rare. Each of these spawns offers a good choice of narrow windows or roofs to protect you from fire. Just like with Bombardier, tree grenades and blaze grenades work especially well, and you can use your weapons to finish off whatever is left after you run out of explosive ordnance. Technically, Bastions spawning in the loading bay of Stella Montis and in the checkpoint tunnels of Blue Gate are easier to kill, but both areas are much more dangerous in PvP terms, and I had nearly 100% rate of somebody trying to steal my kill once I finished all the hard work, so Buried City is definitely my preference. One Bastion can have anything between 1 and 6 cells, so in most cases you'll need to have 2 killed to get all the required cells. And that's how you upgrade your gear bench to level 3 fast. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.